What's up, everybody? This is gonna be a fast video about a Ford 10 1/4 rear end. Long story short, I had to do clutch packs in the differential in the 93 here. Very long story short, had the whole rear end apart. A lot of years ago, I had put a track lock in here with 410 gears, and basically put it in there, and the track lock was worn out and didn't really even limited slip anything. It just one wheel peeled. So because I had to take it out and reshim it, I bought new clutch packs for it. Now, this is going to be an educational video for you guys to not piss away your money. Went online everywhere, Amazon, Jeff's Bronco Graveyard, all these places. This is what it says it's supposed to be for: 10 1/4. Track lock, Ford case, paper composite line, clutch set, posi track. That's part number. It's from Yukon Gear. Okay. Well, right now I have them soaking in friction modifier because, I knew I was going to put them in, so I started soaking them ahead of time to save myself time. And I go to put them on there, and they're not even close to the same ones. These are way too small inside diameter fit. Did some research, and I was like, oh great, do I have a fucking different differential? Am I actually not using, do I not have an actual Ford 10 1/4 or Sterling 10 1/4? I'm like, oh, maybe I screwed up, and in fact I have like a Dana 60 carrier or something. So I looked, and I'm like, okay, that's what happened. Figured, okay, I got the wrong carrier or something happened, I don't really know. So I went to Marketplace, and a guy had a 10 1/4. I said, hey, I just need the center section. I'll come pull it out. I went to his house. I looked at it. It was exactly what I needed. So I tear it apart. I get what I want out of it. Get home. Same thing that I have. The clutch packs are down in there, and you see those lines on them, okay? Those are obsolete. You cannot buy these clutch packs. These 10 1/4 on the old body style trucks, that set from Dana Spicer is obsolete. They stopped making it. Nobody can get them again. For whatever reason, they're gone. So you cannot rebuild these anymore. Done. 2021, you can't rebuild them. Do not buy this. This is what everybody says you need for this. Not true at all. These do not fit. Went online and found out I'm not the only one who got screwed. A bunch of other people did too. Because these apparently are for whatever newer 10 1/4 is out there for the new Fords. I don't know what the hell they have, but apparently they have a 10 1/4 as well. And so yeah, I got shafted, so I spent whatever money on this thing I don't even need. And then I still have a track lock that's worn out, so I spent $108 on clutch packs I can't use. $8 on friction modifier, plus my time and gas. Went and bought this goddamn thing, and all literally for nothing. Whereas I bought an actual zip locker for the green truck last year for like $400 off Amazon, and it works phenomenal. It's rebuildable, great thing. So I literally could have bought one of those, which I was going to do, but I was like, well shit, $400 versus $180. Okay, right now let's buy these, and then it's like, all right, these don't frickin' fit. But I called up Jeff's Bronco Graveyard and said, oh no, that's going to fit your truck. And I said, okay, well maybe when I bought that limited slip, I bought the wrong one for a different rear end. I don't know. So I bought another one, and nope, I had the right one. So I'm just making a video here to help others out so you don't make the same mistake I did. What I also hate is that everywhere you contact that has these say, oh, if you soak them already in fluid, you can't return them, even though it's like you wrongfully frickin' posted what they go to. They don't go for an old body style Ford. They don't. And it irritates me that these fucking companies can get away with shit like that, where us, the consumer, spends money up the ass on shit that's supposed to be for vehicles, and then now you're gonna tell me, oh, well, because, you fucking opened it and soaked it in oil, you can't return them. And it's like, well, who the hell is going to take the clutch packs out all the way, then look at them, make sure right, then soak them for a day in oil? It's like, dude, get the fuck out of here with that shit. So I'm a little bit unhappy. So Yeah, Jeff's Bronco Graveyard, fuck you, okay? Because you guys are assholes and you sold me the wrong shit. You won't take it back. So that's number one. Number two, do yourself a favor, don't buy this crap. Just buy a whole new freaking locker. If you have a 10 and a quarter with a track lock and an old body style truck, take the fucker out, throw it away, and just buy a new locker. Spend the money, buy a locker, and be done. Because you will not find, unless you go on eBay or something, maybe, you're not going to find the rebuild kit for this because they're obsolete. So that's my rant. That's all I got for now. A lot of you guys watching my videos are not subscribed, so why not? It takes 2 seconds to hit a button. You know, I would appreciate if you did. If the video helps you out, the least you could do is hit the fucking subscribe button, okay? Don't be one of these people that you watch all these videos and you're like, oh, that was helpful, and then you don't subscribe. No. Boys, hit the subscribe button. Check out the channel. You ain't got to share it. You ain't got to like it. Just hit the fucking subscribe button and help a brother out, okay? All right, thanks. That's all for now. Check back. We'll talk to you guys later.